Hello everyone, welcome to VisualSnaps. Today we are talking about how to organize your photos and videos so that they don't build up and you don't have to take weeks on weeks to sort them all out. So you've just come back from a long day of shooting and you are going to put your photos and videos on your computer. What do? I recommend that you take the photos and videos off of your camera and put them in a file with the date that you took the photos and the videos in the name. That way, later when you come back, you know exactly when you shot them. One way to help the photos and videos from building up over time as you keep on shooting is to do a sorting day, or even take an hour every month to just sort out the good photos and videos that you have and get rid of all the mistakes and the wrong exposures and all the bad photos. If you're continually having to do lots and lots of time to try and organize your photos and videos and sort out the good ones, instead of doing once a month, you could potentially do twice a month or more if you're doing more photography. Once you have all your good photos and videos, one thing you can do is to put them all together in one folder named good photos or good videos. Just have them like that. Another thing you could do is, say if you really are into, especially for photography, if you're really into landscapes, nature, portraits, have different folders with landscapes, nature, portraits. That way you know if you're looking for a good portrait, let's say, you just go into the good portraits folder and you have all your good portraits right there. Another thing to think about is videos, especially 4K ones and higher, take up quite a bit of hard drive space. So one thing you can do is get an external hard drive to hold all of your high-res video, or get an internal hard drive and upgrade your already existing PC. I personally use all of these tips in my own sorting of my photos and videos, and it makes it very easy for me to find the videos and photos and also use them. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I will answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.